Hello, my name is Zainab. I am a girl. I am 5 years old. I live in Lahore. My father's name is Mr. Ali. He is an engineer. My mother's name is Mrs. Noreen. I study in its high school. My school name is the Educator High Secondary School. English is my favorite subject. My hobby is study. My best friend name is Ali. Red is my favorite color. Bye bye.